Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download CV and LinkedIn. In today's video, I'll show you how to download your CV directly from LinkedIn. And honestly, this is one of those features that feels oddly satisfying because it turns your profile into something that actually looks like you plan your career instead of just clicking add experience at 2 a.m. So I'm already logged in my computer, head over to my profile, and before doing anything, quick reality check. If your profile is half empty, your CV will look like it goes down, so make sure your experience, skills, and details are filled out properly. Once everything looks solid, I scroll down a bit and click on the resources button, which is kind of hiding in plain sight, and from there, I select Save to PDF. Instantly, LinkedIn generates a clean resume version of my profile, and just like that, it downloads to my computer, open it up, and it's all neatly formatted with my rows, experience, and details laid out like I actually hired a designer, when really, I just click one button and let LinkedIn do the heavy lifting. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.